play a little just between you and I. I'll be honest, gotta use your mind. We can be close if I was Tarzan and Jane, Marilyn and Robert.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to be installing a unit from Dorsanee. I had to literally look up their YouTube channel to make sure I got this name right, y'all. So look, they provided me this beautiful V-part kinky straight unit, and y'all know I love me a little kinky straight moment, but skirt right here, I was like, okay, what is these ends doing? I was kind of a little sketched, a little skeptical, but we're just gonna go ahead and make it happen. So I'm showing you all the extras that you get in your box, and as you can see, I took my pigtails down. So now I'm going to be working on my leave out section. I love V-part wigs because it causes to have minimal leave out. You guys know I love a style that's going to take me under 10 minutes to do. And so I'm just going to smooth the rest of my hair down and put it in a low bun. As you can see, I'm not doing any anchor braids today. Lately, I have not been into that, so I just been rocking a little low bun. And believe it or not, this works for me because my hair is on the finer side. So this is the inside of your wig, constructed really, really nice. You have 4 clips, 4 combs. Look at how seamless that top part is, you guys. That's going to blend right in with your hair, and it's going to look very, very natural. But the clips are super, super sturdy. It's giving really high quality. And we're just going to adjust this unit so it can fit really comfortable on my head. And here's how the back part looks, as well as the sides. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull the wig completely down and tuck the last back comb underneath, and then I'm going to work on my side again on this side. So I'm starting to notice, like, okay, boom, that little piece right there is not going to work out because it's all the way on top of my baby hairs. So we're just going to cut that a little bit. This might be necessary for you. Not everybody's going to have to do this, but I do have to do this 9 times out of 10 when I get these V-part, U-part wigs. So look at how flat she is. She's flat, she's cute, but we got to get her together because these kinks are a little bit too much for my personal liking. So I love this look if I'm going for a look like this, but I was not going for a look like this. So I did go in with some heat protecting spray, and I'm going to go ahead and just detangle the hair with my brush as well as my blow dryer and start working on straightening the hair with my Baby Bliss flat iron. This is the best flat iron. This size flat iron that I have is the best to get this job done. It literally took me probably 10 minutes just to straighten the hair. Look at the luster, look at the shine, look at right next to what it was looking like before. It's definitely eating, okay? But I was obsessed with how this turned out after straightening the hair. I didn't have to cut the ends or anything like that. You guys are going to see like stand up and show you that the ends still looked healthy. I don't know why it was looking like that, to be honest with you, but I went in with a little bit more of my heat protecting spray just to gloss it up. I be using this as if it's like oil sheen, so I need to stop doing that because I actually have one that's meant for that, and the spray that I use is from Pattern Beauty. I use it on my natural hair too, and it gets the job done. But look at how flawless this is. Look at this. Do y'all see it? Like, I'm a perfectionist. Oh, mind you, I was jamming out this day, so I am sorry that I'm in my zone, and I just wanted to do a voiceover today for you guys, but I was very much so in my vibes.
Let's play a little just between you and...
So we're gonna work on this leave out. You know, we gotta bust her down because we was very much so going for a bust down middle part today, and she turned out so nice. But as you can see, it's giving two-tone vibes. My hair is super, super dark, and the wig is a little bit on the 1B side. But we're gonna get it together. She's still gonna blend. She's still gonna look very natural and realistic. But Dorsanee, I'm shocked. You guys gave me a really high quality wig. This is my first time working with this company. I wasn't skeptical, but I always, want to make sure I give you guys my honest opinion when I'm working with a company for the first 10 out of 10 vibes. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, I still have this wig on. I'm obsessed. And my hair just worked so nice with it. I did go in with my Uncle Jimmy's pudding or molding pudding, and I'm just going to get my little edges together, slick her down, and use this smoothing brush to lay everything in place. But the quality of this hair was amazing, you guys. I really appreciated how everything came together, the construction of this wig, and I just thought it was flawless. So let me know your guys' thoughts about it. Have you tried a wig from Dorsanee before? And she's eating. She's eating. It's giving very much so grown out of scalp vibes. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you guys all in my next one. Don't forget to check the description box below for Dorsanee's information. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye, y'all.